Hi there, join me in this video as I unbox the Mechanic brand SM-11 and SM-17 ceramic high precision tweezers and show you what they look like. This is the Mechanic SM-11 and this is the SM-17. They are both ceramic fly wire repair tweezers. The SM-11 has a straight tip and the SM-17 has an angled tip. The features of the ceramic flying wire tweezers are the ceramic chuck endures high temperature, it is non-magnetic, it is alkali and acid resistant. Stainless steel material, anti-corrosion and acid and alkali resistance. It provides tight grip, good feel, and has detachable tweezer head that enables replacement. Open up the first one, SM-11. Here's the SM-11. It looks very nicely made. Straight pointed ceramic tip that can be removed and replaced because it's fixed in place by 2 screws. Being true ceramic tips, it will endure high temperatures such as when holding on to components whilst using a hot air gun or even when soldering. It prevents heat transfer to the tweezers. Very nicely made. Now open up the SM-17. Similarly, the ceramic tip is fixed in place by 2 steel screws. Angled tip. Looks really nicely made. This is my RELIFE RL-001G multifunctional maintenance storage container. I have here 6 high precision screwdrivers from Mechanic brand. It is the Mota SE screwdrivers. I also have here 3 tweezers, G11, G15 and G17 from the Mechanic brand. And now I can add the SM-11 and SM-17 to my container. I do hope you found this video interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.